What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Meowth from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page with the top edge of the eyes. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up towards the top of the eye. Now I just want to round this out and then come down towards the outside. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go up towards the same height, round out the eye, and then bring that down. Let's connect the outside to the inside of the eye with another curve coming down towards the bottom, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to add those 2 points along the inside of the eye. Come in and then out, and then we'll fill that in black. Now I'm going to add 2 long ovals for the pupils pulled towards the inside. Let's start from the very top of the eye. Draw that oval. Coming down. We just want to leave a gap along the bottom. And then pull that back up towards the top. Let's line this over on the right. Coming down towards the bottom. And then back up. Now in the center of the eye, add a curve for the glare. Going up and down. Now directly underneath the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down. Let's round out the corners of the mouth and just bend that back in directly underneath the eyes. Now on the inside, we're going to draw a half oval for the bottom of the mouth. Let's start back over on the left. Come down, round out the mouth, and go up towards the right. Let's add 2 fangs on either side. On the left, draw a V coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the left side, we're going to draw the edge of the tongue. We're going to go up in the middle and pull that back down. Now once we complete the face, let's add that medallion in the center of the forehead. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to start with 2 lines. One coming down on the left and then one on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a half circle, just rounding this out and going up. Now we want to do the same thing along the top, going up and then down. Let's add 4 lines along the inside. Start with one along the top and then the bottom. Add 2 more along the inside. Now on the side of that medallion, we're going to add 2 long antennas. Let's start on the left. Bend this up, and then out, go over towards the right, and go up towards the same height. Now I want to taper it so it gets thicker as it comes down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back to the outside corner of the eyes and add another antenna. From the corner, step down, bend this up, and then out. And then again, we're just going to taper that back in towards the side of the head. Now we're going to tuck the top of the head in behind those antennas. From the top left, step up, curve the head, going out, around the eye, and then down. Now I'm going to add another set of antennas from the corner of the mouth. Let's start on the left. Bend this out and down. Let's line this up over on the right. And we'll just taper that back in. Let's round out the side of the head in between the side antennas. Going out, down, and then in. And I'll tuck the head in behind the side of the mouth. Bring this down and then in. Let's add 2 large ears in between these 2 antennas. Starting from the top, bend the ear going up and then out. Let's round up the tip of the ear, come down and just bend that in. Let's trace each of the ears along the inside. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're gonna start underneath the head on the left side. We're gonna leave a gap, then this out, and then down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now you want to layer the legs on top of the body. From here we're going to step in, curve this up across the body, round out the knee, and then bring that down. Let's line this up over on the right. Going up, round out the leg, and then come down. Now from the ankle, we're going to step in, curve the foot, going out, and then up. Let's round out the toe, come down, and then hook that in. Let's layer 2 more toes in behind. Start from the top, go all the way around, hook that in, and we'll do that one more time. Now just underneath the last toe, bend the foot, coming in, and then down towards the heel. Let's round out the heel, go up, and then out. Now we want to blend into a curve just following the outside of the leg, going all the way around, and then down on the inside. And then we'll close off the bottom with a curve coming down in the middle, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's add a trim across the center of the foot, bending this down and then out. And then we'll add an oval inside the heel for a pad. Now I want to add a small oval on the bottom of each toe. Now let's add in the arms. From the top of the body, we're going to step down, then the arm going up, bend this back down. Now we're going to separate out the paw, curving this down, up, and then in. Let's layer 2 more in behind, stepping down, go out, and then in. Then on the side, we're just going to bend the arm going up and then in behind the head. Now I want to swing the tail from the center of the body going out underneath the right foot. So we'll start right in the middle, bend this out, go across, go up, and then in behind the foot. Now I want to continue this curve to create a swirl. So starting from the heel, we're going to go all the way around and then back in. Let's trace the tail along the inside, going all the way around, and then just tuck this up, and it'll separate the end of the tail, and then sign your art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Meowth from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. If you want to draw more Pokemon, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.